afternoon. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is occurring? Where? A portion of central North Carolina, including the following counties, Harnett and Wake. When? Until 1:15 p.m. Impacts. Aerial flooding continues around the Fuquay Valley area, including road closures at North Carolina 55 and Delaney Hills Lane, and where Holland Road intersects Mayfairwood Drive. Additional details. At 10:11 a.m., local law enforcement reported flooding in the warned area. Flooding is already occurring. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Garner, Fuquay Varina, Holly Springs, Duncan, Raven Rock State Park, and Lake Benson. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.